Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis from Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you today something that we get a lot of people looking at for a bunkhouse, but they hate the floor plans in all the bunkhouses. They scrunch everything down. It doesn't feel like the floor plans that are in all the other trailers, but that's the price we kind of pay sometimes to have the extra beds. So this kind of is a different take on it and kind of gives you a little bit of the best of both worlds. It's a 2020 Heartland Sundance 283 RB. So like all my Sundances I carry here, we are the only Sundance dealer in the state of Oregon, so we kind of build them all in a certain way. There's certain options on all of them, and one of them is going to be a power tongue jack. All of them are going to have real wood in the floor, and none of them have OSB or any particle board in the walls, which is what causes delamination on most of this stuff. Nice big pass through. This one's got 2 doors, which is something a lot of people are looking for. I've seen people buy trailers they don't really like as much as some of the other ones, but 2 doors is important to them, so that's why that's kind of a handy thing on this one. Very wide doorway here, so you can get in nice and easy. Now, for the most part, this trailer is kind of set up like a lot of my other ones. I carry a regular Sundance that's a 26-footer. That's not a bunkhouse like this one, but set up somewhat similar. This one here's got your entertainment center here right by the couch. You can swivel your TV around. This one doesn't have a TV. You buy a TV from me, I'll either knock off the money because it's missing it, or we'll get you a TV in there. So then you have a nice dinette here. Even though it's only a booth, it's much wider. You can fit 2 adults or 3 kids, or you can actually fit a lot of people in there. Your kitchen's set up in this area here with a nice big sink, a lot of drawers, a lot of cabinets. You got a nice big deep pantry here, full 2-door fridge. Then you've got your bathroom here. You've got nice glass shower. What's nice with this is even when the slide's in, you can get into the back here, you can get into your fridge, you can get into your kitchen, you can go in through that second door and come this way and get into the bathroom. So now you have a nice, pretty big counter space for a bathroom. Most of them you have maybe an inch around the sink. This gives you a little bit more with a good size medicine cabinet. You have really nice tall closets here. You have a window on one side of the bed, and you have the big screen door on this side. Huge queen compared to a lot of these. It's not the little shrimpy short queen, the RV queen. This is almost 80 inches long, just like a real queen, so you can use normal bedding on this thing. Air conditioning vents pumped in back here, and a spot for another TV if you want a TV in the bedroom. You have a very arched ceiling in these things, so you're nice and tall in the center, about 6'4". So you don't have to bang your head on stuff, you know, if you're a taller guy or girl, I guess, right? So then back here you have a separate room. This is where it makes it into a bunk. A lot of times that's where the trailer cuts off. This one has an additional slide. I'm standing in a slide out that pops out the back. So you're getting like a 33-foot trailer, but when you're towing it, when the slide's in back here, it's kind of like a 28-foot trailer with 2 nice beds back here, and then the kind of crown jewel of this entire unit is the half bath in the back. Pretty slick. So you have more than 1 bathroom. It's a nice area for the kids. It's a separate door that separates them from the rest of the trailer, unlike most of the 28-foot bunkhouses where everybody's kind of all in the living room, kitchen area together. This gives you a little more separation with a lot of windows back here. And there's a few more things on the outside I'll show you. Yeah, check out the slide on the back. So it just extends out, which makes it pretty big size trailer when it's all opened up like this. But when you're towing it, like I said, that just slides right in. And it's like having a 33-foot trailer but towing a 28-foot one. You got some additional outside storage here as well under those back bunks, so you can put your power cord and whatever other tools and stuff you want there, so then you still have your full pass-through up front for all your other stuff. You've got your rack and pinion slide system on this. All my Heartland Sundances have that, and all Heartlands, and a lot of stuff will use cable slides or Schwinn-Tech and things like that. But that's a nice beefy slide with a couch and a dinette in it. You want something that can handle a lot of weight, and that's a rack and pinion. So the most reliable and the one that can handle the most amount of weight is standard across the board on every Sundance. Cable satellite connections. You got your power cord here that plugs in. Your water connection right here, as well as your black tank flush. A lot of this stuff doesn't have a black tank flush still. Things are catching up and more stuff is doing it, but there's still a lot of stuff that doesn't have one of those. So every Sundance across the board will have that too. Then you come around to this side, it has a second black tank flush because this has 2 gray tanks in it, because why? It has 2 bathrooms, right? So one will flush out the back and one will flush out the tanks up in the front. So you got 2 bathrooms, so two drains. So they don't fill up so fast either. Nice big pass through here from the other side. You see it's wide open, and then you have a solar charge here. So you can buy a briefcase solar panel, position it out in the sun, have it collected. It's wired right to your batteries right over here. It'll trickle charge them that way without spending $1,000 to strap them on and drill a bunch of holes in your roof to be able to have something that just basically keeps your batteries full, and that's about it. So there's a bunch of other stuff I want to show you on this thing. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'll talk to you later.